welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another cooking video. Today I'm going to show you guys how we make chicken parmesan pasta here in the household. So if you guys want to learn how to make this delicious recipe, keep on watching. Okay guys, so for this recipe, the only thing different is going to be what we're using to bread our chicken with. And this is bran flakes that I like to use. I don't like corn flakes, I like bran flakes. I do like to add 4 Ritz crackers in here to give it a little bit of flavor. So then all we're gonna do is we're just gonna kind of break it like so. So this breaks fairly easy. And you're gonna do this until you have a nice smooth consistency. So I will see you guys in a bit. Let me just go ahead and smush it. Okay guys, so this is what the consistency should look like once you have done crumbling it up. So it's not going to be super tiny, but you want those kind of flaky texture to it. It's going to taste really yummy, I promise you guys. Okay guys, so now into the crumbs that we already made, we're going to add some seasoning to it. So I like to add a little bit of garlic salt, like so. Sorry guys. Not garlic salt, I added garlic powder. Okay guys, so now we're gonna add some pepper. Okay guys, so I went ahead and added some pepper and some salt onto this mixture. Now you just want to mix it with a spoon and you're good to go. Before we get started, we're going to preheat our oven to 415. Okay, and you're also going to turn your stove on to medium heat and put the water to boil for our pasta. Now the pasta that you use is totally up to you. I like to use shells. This is what my family and I enjoy to eat. So that's what I'm using, but you're more than welcome to use actual spaghetti, linguine, whatever the case might be. Guys, so also what you're gonna add is you're gonna add a little bit of Parmesan. This is not the natural kind. It's the artificial Parmesan. Well, artificial is, but I mean, this is what I'm using. So it's like the bottle one. You're gonna get your baking sheet and you're gonna just spray some cooking spray on it, like so. And that is totally your choice of cooking spray that what you use. I like to use coconut spray, so that's what I just sprayed on there. Pretty much the same steps as my other chicken recipe. I need some flour, obviously your chicken, and then a beaten egg with 1 tablespoon of water. And then our bran flakes that we just crumbled up with 4 Ritz crackers, and then whatever flavor you guys like. I just like to use salt, pepper, garlic powder, and I did add the Parmesan cheese, the bottle one, the Kraft one, and then that's it. So let's go ahead and get this process going. What are you doing? Get on your horsey. Can you say hi? Hi. Yeah, baby. Okay, let me finish cooking, okay? You hungry? Okay. Okay guys, so once you guys are done breading your chicken fillets, now you're gonna go ahead and add them. You're gonna put them in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, depending on the thickness of your fillets. Mine are not that thick, so I'm gonna put them in for about 20 minutes. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna set a timer. So like I said, my fillets are not that thick, so I'm gonna put them in for about 20 minutes. But the time depends on the thickness of your chicken. So if you want it thicker, then you go up with the time. Now that our water is nicely boiled, we're gonna go ahead and add the pasta. Okay guys, so my pasta is done and I already drained the water out. Chicken is done. So let's go ahead and get it out. So this is what your chicken should look like. Look at that, it looks so yummy. Okay, now in the same pot that you boiled your water, you're gonna turn it to light heat. And then I already drizzled a little bit of olive oil in there. I just added a little bit of pepper and salt because we love salt and pepper, and that's it, you guys. Just gonna toss it. Add the salsa of your choice. Then this is what your pasta should look like, you guys. Okay guys, so this is the final product. So I did add some mozzarella cheese to my pasta, and then this, I just added marinara sauce on the top, then sprinkled some mozzarella and put it in the oven for about 5 more minutes. And that is it. You could either chop this off and put it on top of your pasta, which I'm about to do, or you can just eat it on the side. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.